Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will be creating a rotating chart in Power BI and let's get started. First, I'll go here in the visualization pane and I will click on the three dots and click on get more visuals. Here, I will search for rotating chart and here it is. It's loading and this is how your chart will look like once you have created it. You can add more than one charts like in Power BI you can do with any visuals. So I will just go ahead and add it. Now Power BI will import our chart and it has been successfully imported. You click OK and I will go here and I will select my rotating chart by Mac software. Let's bring it in the middle. So now here you see that there are two fields that we have to populate. One is category data and one is Maya data. Now I already have some sales data here for companies. So we have company, sales and budget and we will be using that. If you want to see the data further, so here it is, the company, alpha, beta, X and gamma, sales in USD and budget. Now let's go back and I will drag company. I will drag sales in the Maya data. You can see it's already here. And I will also drag budget here. Now you don't see budget here, but if you click here, it will move to budget. You can also animate it. So we will see how we can do that. So this is how our chart is now created. Now we will go and see how we can further modify it or format it. So here in format your visual, you will see what formatting is provided. So we can change the data colors. Let's change gamma to yellow. In alpha, we can go to more colors. Let's get a nice shade of green. In X also, we can search for a little brighter. Let's say this. We can leave beta as it is. In the animation, just like I told you right now, when you click it, it changes. But you can also set an animation and the delay in seconds. So right now it's 6, but you can also keep it as 4, 3. Let's see. So now you will see it will start animation. Now every 2 seconds it will switch. You can use it for if you are adding this chart to any of your headers to highlight any information. You can put the animation inside. I will just switch it off for now. And in the labels you can change the color, the text size, display unit and decimal places. So in the colors, if I select green, you see that it's green now. I'll just go back and put it black. In the Maya title also you can change the color and the text size. So we will just keep it as this. In the generals, it's the same as any of Power BI report or sorry Power BI visual. You can change the properties, the size. You can add a title if you want. Add title, add subtitle, divider, spacing. I will just remove this. We don't need any. You can add any effect in the background. For example, if you want to add any background, you can add a visual border. You can also add shadow outside, bottom right, how you want it. Let's close this. And you can, if there's any data, you can change the data format for each. Here you can see the data formatting. I will just leave it all. So this is how easily you can create a rotating chart in Power BI and it will be able to rotate on your click or you can automate it. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.